So I've decided to cut my hair today. Full disclosure, I have had like no sleep. My daughter literally stayed up till the sun came up. I kid you not. The jets have been going all day. I got tired of waiting. So we got someone who probably shouldn't be cutting her hair today. But yeah, it got to the point where I am just so sick of like my hair. So I'm like, I just need to cut it. I just don't feel right. And I am just a mess, obviously. So in the last video, I asked you all to like kind of vote if you wanted me to cut or color it next or do black tips. So everyone is going to get what they want, technically. Not all in one video, but that's all I'll say. I don't want to ruin too much. The main reason that I am opting for cutting my hair today is just because I haven't trimmed it since we just bleached it not that long ago. More just for a light trim and just to kind of bring everything together. I'm not going to cut it like all the way up to my neck, but I am going to clean this up kind of just all over. So that's the plan. Thank you for being here. Like, I'm not going to lie. I'm like barely hanging on by a thread, but every time I go on Instagram or like see the news, I just like start crying because like just everyone is just going through it, man. Like, there are so many people in so much pain, and I just like, so my stuff like doesn't matter, like seriously. So I'm probably not going to talk too much about what's going on because it just seems so irrelevant. It just seems so irrelevant to like everything else going on in the world. So I figured let's cut some hair and just try to like relax, just sending love and good thoughts and all that stuff to everyone out there, no matter what you're going through, no matter who you are. So if this is your first time here, thank you for being here. And I hope you subscribe and keep hanging out. Try to keep it a pretty positive place around here. I do have like a couple other hair cutting videos I've done, so I'll go ahead and link those below for you in case you haven't seen them. All right, so I actually have like bangs going on. I just kind of had them parted. It's like my wash day anyways, so I think after the haircut, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair and maybe just add some purple conditioner and just give myself kind of an overall woof day and then show you guys the end of it. Cause I need more than a haircut. I need to give myself some love. I'm just fading fast. In the other video, I did talk about how I kind of just want to take that dead stuff off. So it's not because of like the brown color there. I'm pretty sure I could have lived with that, but it's not going to hurt to just go ahead and get rid of it. And for those of you who haven't seen it, this is my undercut. It's not quite where I want it to cut the rest of my hair to. I don't want to go like that short, but we're going to go somewhere in there. And just kind of everything, the bangs and everything. You guys are literally keeping me awake right now. Like, I can't take a nap. It's not that time of the day that I can. So, like, thanks for hanging out with me right now, man. I'm just it's so worth it, but I'm so tired. So I have neuropathy, so if you guys see my hands shaking or anything like that, it's just me living my life. It's cold outside. My hands are not going to work well. It's probably a bad idea. For my part, normally I just kind of let it pick where it's going to be at, but it kind of just automatically has been aligning itself with the middle because I've been doing so many like split dyes and stuff. I'm just going to kind of roll with that, man. I'm just parting it down the very middle here. I'm not being too picky. I don't have like a whole bunch of hair down here to work with. But I actually am going to just quick pin this up so that I can just trim my undercut a little bit first. Kind of going to be like their separate entity for a minute. My New Year's resolution. Get glasses. There, that's a look. It looks like they're holding hands. All I did is just pulled this down and tried to use the mirror to just trim along the very end. I just blunt cut it, which obviously, by the way, I'm doing a dry cut. Because when my hair is wet, it's like super like wavy curly, and then it kind of dries more straight wavy depending on how I style it. So that's why, as you can probably see how wavy my hair gets. I just like to cut it dry so I can kind of see where everything lays. But yeah, I just blunt cut it the best that I could because it's just the undercut. So I'm not worried about like making it fancy by point cutting or anything. I just wanted to trim any dead ends off so it can keep growing and eventually match up with the rest of my hair. But that's all I did there. Technically, I should have straightened it to make it easier, but whatever. When you cut, you can just go ahead and just make sure you're level. Just go ahead and pull the hair and feel when one drops off sooner than the other, if they feel about even. And that's just a quick, easy way to measure. And these are just going to get clipped out of the way for a second because they're bothering me and I cannot see the last thing I cut. Oh, it's my face. Ew. Oh my God, my arms are already tired and we haven't even started yet. By the way, if you guys were wondering, like, the shots in my back, like, I think they've actually been helping so far, but I'll be updating you guys soon on that too. But just so you know, they are helping so far. I have two types of scissors. These ones seem kind of loose. I like those more for point cutting. I originally bought them for my extensions, and I got these. These were off Amazon. So. This is the only decent comb I could find, but I have to be careful because this is actually slanted on this side. See if I remember. Probably not. All right, so we got that nice middle section down the back and in our awesome trash day. Enjoy the sounds of the garbage truck. So I'm just going to kind of pull it tight. And for my guide, actually, maybe I should start on this side. This side just seemed a lot thinner, so I actually want to start with this side. Kind of pull it down. Maybe I should do it section by section. I keep forgetting my hair is thinned out from the damage and from the undercut, but it's still thick. Let's clip that out of the way and just kind of do maybe a smaller section here. I'm just going to kind of keep with the pattern of my old haircut, and I'm just going to blunt cut it just right across because I can go in and point cut it if I want to. Oh, it's quite a bit shorter. I'd rather have this just end up too short than have gone one more day. God, my hands are just a mess today. Maybe I'll work better with this comb. Oh, God. My hair is pretty thin. Let's bring it all down now. Basically chopped everything off. I just cut my shirt. God, it is just so thin right there. So this side is just a wee bit longer than the other side. But besides that, everything looked kosher. Depending on what kind of haircut you're doing, you know, when you do this up front, depending on what directions, if you hold your fingers straight or like at an angle, it's going to kind of affect the way the shape of your hair is cut. I was just kind of following what I already had going on last time, and I had cut it the way I just did now, like more straight across, blunt. And I went in and point cut it and everything. This side looked just a wee bit too long. I just want to soften up that bob a little bit. And especially since I have like thicker hair, I noticed the last time that I didn't point cut it, it's like the ends were kind of getting almost tangled because they were just like too thick. That it just needed a little bit of, you know, thinning like that. It's so hard to tell because the undercut is like pushing my hair off of my head. But I still feel like there's like a piece here that's just a slight too long and I can't seem to. That's it. It's okay. I won't know until I wash it, you know, and style it. But I think we did all right. Okay. All right, bangs are last. I'm pretty happy with everything else. I need to do a ponytail vibe check quick. I believe I'm cutting off some of the weight, but my God, like I can't see anything this far away. All right, we're down to the bangs. Yay. Oh, shoot. I saw this like pretty cool technique where he like layered the bangs. Still feel like I cut my bangs like way too thick. I've seen bangs go back farther than this. So. I'm point cutting them. Oh God. And that's gonna be my guide. Oh gosh, I just got it in my eye. Then I'm gonna go through and kind of layer them. And next you're gonna part it down. So you're gonna over direct. Guide is there. Here I'm just kind of doing like a mini curtain bang, and I'm so sorry you couldn't see me cutting some of it. And a lot of point cutting. always cut my finger, man, every time. Okay, and once I'm happy-ish with that, I think that cut was just worse than I thought it was. It was cool for layering. He just like started here and he would just like bring it all the way up or something. And then I'm pretty sure my angles are off. I think he just brought it all the way up. And like whatever didn't go down, he just trimmed or something. Oh my gosh, I don't remember. Ow, I'm stabbing myself. It's so hard because the angle he was at. See, it's just gonna kind of give it just a little bit more dimension. I'm just not good at this at the moment. It's like the end of the haircut, and my hands are saying no. See, it's like he said, you just let all that drop, and then whatever's kind of left up here, you just get a little something, something. There. He's giving me a little more foof. See, like the difference from like this side to this side, isn't that cool? I was wanting to try that out, so I'm going to try it out today. He does it from like this side to this side, and then he kind of does it this side back to that side, so that way no matter which way you like swish your bangs, it's supposed to kind of work, just in case you don't want them like straight down on your face as well. And if I could get it together, I would be doing a better job point cutting these. My vision and everything and these angles of the mirror is just terrible. Oh, it's going to look so good once I wash it and everything. Ooh. Excited. And my angles have changed. I didn't realize that my camera was that low, so good thing I wasn't done with this yet. Weird angles of which I'm doing everything. It's bad. I don't know about you guys, but I'm so excited to see this wash. But yeah, because these bangs are going to pop up a lot more. I have them pretty down. So styled everything, they should look pretty good. Just make sure there's nothing else to connect, and I'll go ahead and wash it. Some toning conditioner and like a leave-in mask, and come back and see how it looks. I'd say not bad. Not bad, right? The white shirt isn't helping so much, but I think it's a great canvas and a great start for a brand new hair transformation and everything. So we'll see you guys back with the results. So thank you for being here. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited to show this to you, but just know I haven't styled it yet. This is me sleeping on it damp on accident. No styling. So 3, 2, 1. I really like it. Like, I'll put some before pictures here, but I really like it. Like, I meant to style it and ended up falling asleep with it damp, and I woke up and I'm so glad I did, because since my hair is wavy and stuff, it dries kind of all different lengths. And so being able to wake up, look in the mirror, and be happy with my hair this morning, that's how I know I love this. Like, maybe I have hair blindness. Go ahead, comment below what you think, but I was really happy. I think the bangs are just, everything is so soft and fluffy, you guys. Like I haven't even colored it yet, and I just feel so good. I don't know if you can tell by my outfit, but I have another kind of procedure today to go to after this. So that speaks volumes that I'm in this good of a mood and feel this nice. But a lot of it's just my hair feels great. This is it air dried. It looks a little frizzy because I'm messing with it, but yeah. So let me just show you guys the back. You can see how like the undercut really pushes it out and makes it look thin right here. You know, because it's just... So what I was going to do when I styled it is I was going to kind of straighten the undercut down. Really see this in all its glory. But yeah, I'm just so happy about it. So just really tell all those like light layers, just everything paid off. So I know it looks frizzy, but I promise it's soft. It's amazing. Just hasn't had any styling or anything in it. So next thing, we're going to dye my hair and have a sneak peek of some other stuff behind me, but Just in case you weren't here for the video, not long ago, I did a reaction video to Hair Buddha reacting to me, and he did come back and comment on there that actually this Friday, he did another video where he reacted to me bleaching my hair with the 7 volume, or bleaching my roots with 7 volume developer. And he said it'll be open to everybody this Friday on his channel. So I'm actually planning on doing a blind react this time. So just in case you guys want to watch that before I actually upload my blind react to it, he said he'll be posting that on Friday. I think he said it was already available somewhere to like his silver members. You'll have to go back and check the comments. So I'm super excited about that, and I'm also super excited that the very next video I see you guys in, we're dyeing my hair. If you guys want to take any guesses, that's Biggie. He's the big dog. Just like I know you guys ask about my dogs a lot. We got Rooster, Xena, and Biggie. And if you count them as our kiddos too, then technically we have like 6 kids. So 3 kids, 3 dogs. But yeah, if you guys want to take any guesses as to what color I'm going to be putting in my hair, you can go ahead and guess below. Should be up by Friday. So much love, everyone. Thanks for being here. And yeah, I hope you guys like it as much as I do. So.